Welcome to the world of ELIN's technology. Today, we are excited to introduce a product that excels in various industrial and commercial environments. The H685f 5G industrial router. Whether it's required for critical connections or challenging environments, the H685f rises to the occasion. The ELIN's H685 series is a compact, rugged gigabit Ethernet 3G 4G LTE 5G cellular network solution designed to deliver essential connectivity in the most demanding settings. The H685 is not only robust, reliable, secure, and user-friendly, but it also withstands extreme temperatures, humidity, vibration, dust, reverse currents, and voltage transients. The H685f router comes with a range of high-quality accessories to ensure optimal performance. These include a 5G rubber antenna, GPS antenna, DB9 serial cable, RJ45 network cable, power plug, and a 10-pin terminal. These accessories guarantee stable connectivity and reliable performance of the H685f in various environments. The H685f industrial 5G router is utilized in over 20 industrial applications. It ensures real-time video transmission in CCTV security monitoring systems, provides reliable in-vehicle network connectivity, enables remote monitoring and management in vending machines, and guarantees stable transmission of transaction data at retail outlets. From traffic management and oil field monitoring to environmental protection, the H685f plays a crucial role. The ELIN's H685f 5G industrial router is built for modern connectivity, offering a stable and reliable network connection. It is more than just a network device. It is your dependable partner in complex environments. Choose the H685f for stability and reliability, providing a solid network foundation for your business. Thank you for viewing our presentation. For more information, please visit our website or contact our sales team directly. ELIN's is always committed to providing you with the best networking solutions. We look forward to working with you.